Here's a pendulum. It's going to be very exciting, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to move this with omega very close to 0. Very exciting. I'm doing it right now. Aren't you thrilled? No, you're not thrilled? But I'm moving. And now I'm going to go back. Do we agree that A, the amplitude of that object, is exactly the same as the amplitude of my hand? Do we agree? Do you see that? That is why that A is eta 0. And that follows from that rather complicated equation. Did you see that delta was 0? Did you see that we went hand in hand, so to speak? No pun implied. We're going hand in hand, right? That one follows exactly my hand, so delta is 0. Let's now go to high frequency. Very high frequency, way above resonance. And what you see now is that the object is not moving very much, but if you look very carefully, you will see when my hand is here, the object tends to go there. And when my hand is here, the object tends to go there. That is that pi. Ready? You see that there's almost no motion. A is near 0, but can you really see that the phase difference is pi? Can you see the 180 degrees? You see, if the A is exactly 0, of course, then you cannot tell. So I try not to go infinitely fast. I go a little slower than infinitely fast. Can you see it? Okay, now comes resonance. And now it will be very difficult to see this pi over 2. That's almost impossible. That's not my objective. But my objective is to show you that an enormously small, very small eta 0 here will give an amplitude there which is q times higher, so you get a huge swing when my hand is hardly moving at all. That's the power of q. So there we go. I'll first get it into it. There it is. Now, this is resonance. Would you agree? This is resonance. Now, look at my hand. My hand is moving, probably no more than with an amplitude of 3 millimeters. No more. And yet I see an amplitude there of 60 centimeters. That would mean that very roughly, this pendulum has a Q of 200. Namely 60 centimeters divided by 3 millimeters. So this is even a way to make an extremely rough guess, admittedly very rough, of the Q value. You cannot even see my hand move, be honest. You can't even see my hand move, but I know I am moving it a little. A little bit. Oh, you're lying. No, you were not. No, you were not. Okay.